Hey, everybody, it's Mr. Willie again back for our third week of Programming 2. And I gotta tell you, I miss you guys like crazy. There isn't a day that I don't miss some of those programming headaches that we get. And, some of those questions where I'm like, okay, how do we do this? How do we fix this? How do I look at the way that you programmed it? But I gotta tell you, I know it's been frustrating. I know you guys have been sitting at home. I know you've been antsy. Hopefully, the video to download Visual Basic helps you. Hopefully, you've been itching to get back at it. But anyhow, last week I assigned you the Hangman project and basically kind of gave you the outline, told you what we want it to look like, and now I want you to really get into the nuts and bolts of it. So here we go. Mine is a space themed Hangman game, and obviously you'll see that I've got dim integers up here. I've got words, all this other stuff going on here, and we'll explain what that is as we get going here. Now, um, this is my old path for how I got my hands on all my stuff at Heritage, but you will be able to use everything that you've got here to be able to make this thing go as well. So the first thing you want to be aware of is this app.path slash hangman.txt. That's important. App.path basically says, hey, program, use the folder that this thing saved in, which is awesome. It saves you so much work. So you'll notice it's going to pull from this file right here. Okay, and these are my words that I got going on. Spock, Captain, Enterprise, Tribble, Red Alert, Phaser, Proton, Captain Kirk, McCoy, Vulcan, Sulu, and A. And I'll be honest, I'm not a big Star Trek nerd, but I thought it was kind of something cool to go with. I saw somebody else did something similar with Star Wars, and I was like, all right, let's try Star Trek, right? So, anyways, we got that going on. You'll also notice I've got some audio files in here. If you want to play with audio files, you are more than welcome to. But it's definitely not the easiest thing in the world. But anyhow, I've got some select cases going in here. Okay, I've got that's how it plays the words, and basically what you see is percentage. Okay, well, percentage adds up if you get misses in my game, and then basically you're gonna get 6 misses, and then your ship's gonna explode, right? And when it gets to 100, blows it all up. So we've got that going on in there. But I've got death ship and my image portion. I 0 to 8, visible, false. Everything's turned off, right? We don't want that. Word counts at -1, then it's +1 to start us at 0. All that good stuff as we get going through here. So I'm sure that you have seen everything that I've got going on in here. There's no mystery, in distance learning here. I'm not out here to trick you or anything like that. I want you to play with this and to learn. And quite honestly, I can't stop you from copying my program if I'm going to explain it to you and all that. But at the end of the day, I'm more concerned about do you have a program that functions? Do you understand how these commands work? Not necessarily giving you an A or anything like that. You guys know the deal. I'm more interested in you learning the material than anything else. So, anyways, you got some Star Trek pictures going on here. One of my audio files might sound like he says a bad word. He doesn't. He says Vulcan. Okay. That's going to come up on our second miss. So just relax. Here it is, though. So we got our ship. It's cloaking. Okay. Sitting at 10% right off the bat. Let's go with A. Okay. Let's go with E. I. Here it comes. Oh, there was an I. Maybe I'm wrong. A-E-I. Here it comes.
Are you out of your Vulcan mind?
Vulcan mind. All right.
It'll never work like this.
Okay, so AI, right? Let's go K and P and T, and I know it's Captain Kirk, but I'm gonna screw it up. Okay, so you can see what's going on.
Brain is gone. Insufficient facts always invites danger.
Boom, and I lose, right? Okay, and the word is Captain Kirk. Okay, we're cloaking again.
To the yellow alert. Are you out of your cloaking mind? You'll never work like this. Without facts, the decision. Brain is gone. Insufficient facts always invites.
Okay, and our word was proton. All right. So, guys, that's our program. That's what I got rolling as we go through this. It's nothing crazy, but it's fun. It works, and it gets you using these app.paths, and it gets you using external files. So I challenge you. Put some waves in it. Have some fun with it. And I can't wait to see what kind of cool programs you give me this week. So anyhow, let's make that due next Friday. And guys, enjoy. We'll see you.